Jambo, welcome back. We are going to speak about locating and deleting duplicate entries. Okay, so a small set of data, you can use this in a very big set of data, but this one has a lot of duplicate values. I don't want to use it, but whatever I'm going to show you here is also used in bigger sense, like bigger sets of data. I'm going to remove the filter here because it looks crowded. Then just click on the filter. Okay, save the workbook. So for you to locate duplicate data, we can use conditional formatting. So I'm going to duplicate a data here and do build add, and that is 200 again. Then we do wanyama, so that we have two sets of data. Okay, first way is for you to highlight your data. Go to home, then go to conditional formatting, and then say highlight cell rules, and then duplicate values. Okay, then which color do you want to use? It's going to use it there. You can change the color. Remember, we passed through conditional formatting and you know how to highlight or change this color. Okay, and we're just going to click on OK, and it's showing us all the values that have have duplicate values. You can see, so wanyama has a duplicate value, buildad has a duplicate value. If I delete this column for wanyama, you see the upper one disappears. The highlighting on the upper one disappears. I'm going to undo and then use another version. So I'm going to select inside here and show you how to remove duplicate values from using the Excel data function. But first of all, I'm going to clear. That's how you are going to know which values are duplicate. And I'm going to clear those rules from this table. Okay, then I'm going to show you how we remove duplicate values from the data tab. So select your content in wholesome, go to data tab, and then look for remove duplicates. Okay, once you click it, it asks you. My list has headers, of course. These are the headers. It should not be included in it. And then just click on OK. And say 2 duplicate values removed, found and removed, 4 unique values remain, none that counts, may include empty cells and spaces. Those one don't count. Okay, so that's how you're able to remove duplicate values using remove duplicates function or action from the data ribbon. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you locate and also remove duplicate values. For big sets of data like tables, just use the selection from the columns or selections from the rows, or click and drag and then go to data and remove duplicates. It's going to check. Let me show you another thing. If I say wanyama here and here it's 300, and then highlight this and then go to data, then remove duplicates, says yes, then click on OK. It says no duplicates found, because Excel is intelligent enough to know this wanyama here is not the same as wanyama here. Okay, because this is wanyama and 450 and wanyama and 300. Okay, so those are not equal values. But if I put 450 because it's a table, and then remove duplicates, click OK, it says 1 duplicate value found and removed. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye.